Hello everyone, my name is Andy. Today is Wednesday, October 4th. Time is around 7 GMT and we will have a look at S&P futures on the Owanda platform. So yesterday I had two scenarios here on my charts. One scenario where this low was holding and another scenario where the low was breaking and where we were working on this wave 5 here. So yeah, we broke this low, so I took off the other scenario, and so now I made this my primary scenario, where we are working here on the fifth wave, and yeah, we are actually in an area for the S&P where we should start to reverse. If we do not see the reversal, then yeah, then we are in another scenario, a more bearish scenario. I will show you in a minute what I mean, but let's have first a look at this here at the primary scenario. So we made a wave 3 high here. Now we are in the wave 4 area. So this here is the wave 4 area, and this wave 4 is now playing out as a WXY. So we are also in the wave Y area. If we take the length here of the wave W, the length of the wave X, then here the area between the 1 and the 1.618 FIB extension is the area of our wave Y. So we are at reversal areas. I would also say we have more or less complete structures. Like if this wave Y is playing out as an A, B, C, then here the C wave, I would say we almost have 5 waves, or we have 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, yeah, the only thing is, like, this fifth wave here, is it finished or not? Therefore, we can have a look at the 15 minutes, but yeah, this is really micro counting, and yeah, could be that we are doing something like this 3, 4, 5. Could also be that the 3 and the 4 is situated here, and that we now have this final push. That's also a possibility. So that's a bit hard to say, but yeah, the conclusion is, or the key point is that yeah, we need a reversal from here, from this areas. If not, then we are in a way more bearish scenario, I believe. Then therefore we have to go to the daily. And so in my higher time frame analysis, I showed you that we were working here on an impulse, on a wave 1 up. We had a wave 1 or wave 2. This is, or this was, the wave 3. So now we are currently in wave 4 area. And so if it turns out, if this is not a wave 4 here, then yeah, what we actually might do is a move where the wave 2 low was not yet in. So then this here could be a flat structure. This here as in 3 waves, 1, 2, 3 as our wave A, then a wave B up here as an ABC. Then we have A, B, C wave, and the fourth and the fifth wave are never coming. Instead, we go down impulsively as a wave C, and then we have 1, 2, and then yeah, working on the 3, 4, 5. But okay, this is a scenario that I share with you, but yeah, it's still a bit early to really yeah, to really have a strong case for this scenario. Let's first look what happens here in this area, if we get our reversal or not. So what we see on the daily is that we are still bearish here. We are still in this downward cycle. Also in the weekly, we broke this RSI trend line, but this is normal behavior for a wave 4. So it's important that we that we come up again. If this has to be a wave 4, that we start to move up again, so that we can break this RSI trend line from below, and that we end here with divergence. Now, if we then look at the 4-hour, we see some signs here of a reversal. So if we would take this wave C cycle here, we broke this RSI trend line, and we currently have divergence. So this can be a reversal sign together with an almost complete structure here. So yeah, let's see if we get this. We are in the relevant areas. We are having divergence. The swings here look almost complete in the fifth wave. So these are all arguments in favor of a reversal. The arguments against are we are still bearish in the higher time frame, in the daily and in the weekly, but yeah, this is quite normal. Like the reversal has to start in a bearish cycle, of course. So let's see what we get today. I hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, please like, subscribe, comment to support my work, and I see you tomorrow for another video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.